The San Diego Chargers will travel to the desert this weekend to see the Arizona Cardinals in Week 2 of the preseason action, and our analysts have unanimously sided with the home favorite, the Cardinals, in this game. Although the Chargers do look strong on defense, the quarterback depth with the Chargers takes the edge here. Logan Thomas threw for 108 yards and just 1 interception on 15 passes last weekend, while Carson Palmer completed all 4 of his passes for 77 yards. Our analysts also believe we will see a little bit more playing time from the Cardinals starters in this game. The Chargers got nothing from their quarterback position last week. Nobody threw a touchdown, and they had just 63 yards on 11 completions. It's clear San Diego will look to their running game to take care of the scoring in this game, but Arizona will be ready for that. The Chargers are just 2-6 against the spread in their last 8 Saturday games, and Arizona always does well at home, 6-1 in their last 7 on their home turf. Our analysts are siding with the Arizona Cardinals in this one. Don't look at books over 2.5 though, and there's great value there at Pinnacle at -115. Good luck on your picks this weekend, guys, and check back in next week for all the best NFL preseason picks.